Welcome back to another quant update. Thank you for the continued support on the channel. Loads of likes, so I'm really appreciative of that. We're so very close to 10k. Let's hit that soon. So what we can see for quant at the moment is that since it's developed from my past video a little bit lower. This was expected since we turned this huge support that was once green into a red box now, because it is resistance with this breakdown and that capitulation across the market. If we want to see quant ending its dip, it needs to reclaim $106,000. In fact, there are some higher up levels, 111, 112, and then 125. So these levels have been given in the past updates, but if you're new around here, there you go. So 105, 112, 125. That will then suggest a move back up into this area, 150 to 170. Until then, the risk is right now, of course, we want it to be bullish. It is actually all dependent on Bitcoin. So check out my Bitcoin update from earlier today. So right now, what we need to see from Quant is actually it not failing over here. That's what I'm envisioning it doing at the moment, though, unfortunately, dumping from here. The reason is, if we head over to Bitcoin, I do recommend actually watching the video, but it's trying to break out of this falling wedge. I'm seeing this pattern across the board, and it's actually at resistance right now here. And there's a lot of resistance up ahead as well. So it can, of course, lower high, and we're pumping in to the weekend where the stock market shuts, and on the weekend there's less volume. So that's why we're probably rallying, trapping traders, leverage longing, and then liquidating. So that's the risk at the moment. This key level of support is our new low that's allowing quant to pump into here. So if we start dumping from here, we need 81 and 84 to hold. Otherwise, the dump continues down into $70 next. That's the risk that we see at the moment across the market. The only thing that will stop it is quant reclaiming 106, 112, 125. And then heading into this area over here. I wish it'd move up like that. It's just not going to. But I'm just showing you the reclaims of the levels that need this level, this level, this level. And that means getting up into there. It will not move like that. The path that it's finding it easier to do at the moment, since this green box is now red, is a move back into it as resistance, as we've cleared the low, now turning it into our top and rolling over. There is a chance while this is support to create that higher low, break through, flip it into support, and now it's about tackling the top here, eventually breaking through that. We'll pump into 150 to 170. Further break of that, it's back to 220. But yeah, guys, the risk is with Bitcoin, that lower high and rollover, and for quant, that would mean rolling over, trying to head to a new low than this local one that we have at the moment off of capitulation day. That's it from me today. Of course, I don't want this to roll over for you guys. I want this to pump back up, but focus on Bitcoin, and you also know that quant needs to get back above 106. Cheers, everyone. If you want to learn how to use the fibs, how to analyze the charts just like me, consider joining the Discord, as I do live streams in there weekly. And yeah, you'll get, of course, further exclusive TA from me on a constant basis in there, morning, day, and night. So use the links down below. Cheers.